Hello everyone. Now we are demonstrating the second exercise or lifting for the push and pull event. So this is deadlift. In deadlift, two types of deadlifts are allowed here, the sumo and the conventional. And the grip you can choose as you wish, alternate, straight or supinated, pronated, whatever grip you like. And there will be few rules and regulation where why you will get a clean count and why you will get a no count. So we will demonstrate that. First we are showing the correct way of doing the deadlift. So this is a conventional deadlift he is doing. Now he will bring the rod under control. Next is he is doing a sumo deadlift. Now he is doing an alternate grip and down. Now after calling out the name, the participant has to be on the floor in 1 minute. In 1 minute he has to complete the repetition. Lifting has to be done in 1 minute. So if he is coming on 50 seconds, he will or she will only have 10 seconds to complete the lift. Now we will show how the lift will start. So first the participants will come and stand in front of the rod. The participants will take a grip of his own choice and then he will start the lift on his own. After locking out, the judge will give a command of down. Then the participants will bring the rod down. If the participants down the rod on the floor without the command or before the command, then the set will consider as no lift. Next, now we will show you some faults where the set can become a no count. One thing is that after taking the grip and the stand and then complete the lift, if the player moves the leg front, back or laterally, the set will become no count. Okay? This will become a no lift set. Next is after taking the grip, if the player lifts the rod and then go downwards and again go upward, it will become a no lift. Down. রেখে এইখান থেকে রেখে সিধে করো। Now if the rod would go up and stuck here, it will become a no lift, and even if you just extend your hip, push and become straight, then also it will become a no lift. আচ্ছা এবারে একটা ওই স্কুপিং করে তুলে রডটা ঢুকিয়ে this is also a no lift. This is also a no lift. After getting the down command, if the player drop the barbell with no control but holding it, still it will be a no lift. Everyone has to bring the rod down in control. It should not be uncontrolled. It should be in control. Yes. Another thing, after dropping the barbell on the ground, the player has to move from backward, not from forward. Player should not cross the rod. If player cross the rod or lose the balance or drop on the ground after dropping the rod, then it will consider as a no lift. It's a no lift. Even if the player fall on the ground after dropping the bar, still it will consider as no lift. Thank you.